You know what season it is? It is fall season. Yes, my favorite. I wanted to do some tutorials for you guys today. I hope you all aren't bored of them. That's why I was like, let me do several in one video that are super easy and short, just to give you guys inspiration of different techniques that you can wear. Each look I'm going to show you has a different technique, uses different colors, different lip, all of that. I try to give you lots of variety just to keep it really fun, but they're still wearable for every day. I am using the Makeup Geek Fall Scenes palette, which has 9 colors. I'll list it below if you guys want to check it out, but I just wanted to give you some ideas how to wear that palette in multiple different ways. So let's get started with look number 1. For this look, I want to keep it super easy. So I'm going to take Magic Act, which is a pale gold. We're going to put this here on the center part of the lid. Same brush, going with Untamed. We're going to put it right next to the gold. Now go in with Curtain Call, which is a deep burgundy color. We're going to put this next to it. Now switch to a dome brush like this, and we're just going to sweep this side to side to blend it out. Do y'all see how seriously easy and fast that was? So now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Now because the eyes were super easy and fast, I want to do a bold lip, so I'm going to line it with a Plum liner. This is MAC Vino. I hope they still make this. I'm going to apply the Clinique Chubby Pencil in Richer Raisin. So I just want a stained look, a lip balm. Isn't that pretty? Now for the blush, I'm going to use the color Hobbit, which is actually for medium to caramel skin, but I'm going to use it with a light hand. Tap it on the back of my hand because I want just the slightest hint of color. And then to get some glow to the cheeks, I don't really want to highlight it. I don't want shimmer. I just want some dewiness. So I'm going to take the Armani Oil Gel. I'm going to take it with my finger and we're just going to tap it on top of the cheekbone. So there you go. There's your fall look. Easy eyes, gorgeous cheeks, and a nice deep berry lip. To start this look, I'm going to use sticky notes because it's easier than tape. I'm going to tear it in half because I only need a little bit of the stickiness. I'm going to line it up along the lower lash line coming past the brow to get that shape. It looks so crazy right now. Okay, take a tiny liner brush and some mixing medium. I'm using the one by Mayron. Dip it in. We're going to turn our eyeshadow into a liquid liner. So I'm going to take the color Curtain Call. We're going to run it along the post-it note. I'm also going to line along my upper lash line. Then pick up some more. And I'm going to start out here at the crease and just flick it in, fading it as it comes inward. To peel this off, and then you can touch it up if you feel like you need. My tail's a little long right here, so I need to either fill this in or clean it up with a Q-tip. Then take a smudger brush like this and go in with Curtain Call Dry. We're not going to wet it or anything like that, and I'm just going to smudge it under here. Now curl your lashes and apply mascara. And because this look feels dramatic, I do feel like it needs some lashes, so I'm going to use the Ardell 814s. Boom, baby, lashes done. Okay, I had to change my top. I was not feeling the turtleneck with this look. Okay, I'm going to apply a peach blush. This is Makeup Geek Bliss. And I'm just going to apply it back here on the tops of the cheekbones, but up higher because I want to lift the face to go along with the lifted eyes. Next, apply a nude lip liner. I'm using Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. I'm going to fill in on the sides of the lips just to shade it a little bit. Then apply lip gloss. I'm using the NYX one in Tiramisu. And there you go. There's your Plum graphic liner look. Super, super fun and easy. To start off this look, I'm going to use a yellow base to prime the eyes. This is the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in the color Primary Yellow. Take a flat kind of brush like this. We're going to put a drop on the hand and just dip the brush in there. And just put this all over the lid and slightly above the crease. I'm taking a dry dome brush and just buffing out the edges so it's super soft in color. I'm going to take a pencil brush and put a little bit under the eye too, coming all the way in. Take a medium-sized dome brush like this, something that's going to fit right here on the edge of the eye. I'm going to go in with Berry Shady and start here on the outer corner of the eye and start blending it inwards and a little bit more on the inner part of the eye. You want to leave the center of the lid blank. Go in with the pencil brush and put a little bit on the outer edge of the lower lash line and the inner part. Leave the center blank. Take a dome brush like this, go in with Honey Badger, and just put this in the crease. Start to blend it up to the brow just a little bit. Okay, now comes the magical part. You're going to take a flat brush, going with a Magic Act, which is a pale gold. We're going to slap this on the center of the lid to create that halo eye. Take your pencil brush and put some Magic Act just on the center of the lower lash line. Then take a black eyeliner. We're going to run this in the waterline. Then curl your lashes and apply your mascara. Because this is a dramatic look, I do want to put on some lashes, so I'm going to apply the Ardell 110s. You like how I just come back and my lashes are on? Okay, rose lip liner. This is the color Larens. I will list everything in the description box. Then I'm going to put on a tinted lip balm. This is Almay number 70. It's a really pretty color. I like this one a lot. And that completes our gold and plum halo eyes with a nice rose lip. So to start off this look, you're just gonna take Berry Shady and a brush like this to create a smoky eye. We're gonna put this all over the lid and slightly above the crease. So here's the shape that you have. Now I'm gonna take Had Me at Yellow and put this in the transition just to soften out the harsh line. Now switch to a kind of flat brush like this. We're gonna go in with Curtain Call, which is a beautiful metallic plum. And we're just going to pat this all over the lid. Then switch to a small dome-shaped brush. We're gonna go in with Curtain Call and we're gonna smudge this under the lower lash line. That's my dog snoring, by the way. Then curl your lashes and apply mascara. Then if you want to apply some lashes, you can. I'm gonna put on the Ardell 110s. I'll be right back. You like how I disappear and just come back with lashes? All right, let's do the lips. I'm gonna use a MAC lip liner in Spice. Then I'm gonna apply MAC Japanese Maple. I really hope they make this still. I'm not gonna say how long this has been sitting in my drawer. And there you go. There is your metallic smoky eyes with a nice soft nude lip. So start off this look, we're gonna take a really small pencil brush like this going with Deja Brew. I'm going to draw a line going from the outer corner of my eye to the crease, just like that. Then we're gonna come right into the crease or right above, depending on how much lid space you have. Okay, I know this is gonna look crazy for a minute. Now switch to a smudger brush or a little bit larger pencil brush, same color, and we're just gonna start buffing it upwards a little bit. It's up to you how far in you wanna come. So this is what we have so far. I know it looks crazy. Go in with a crease brush now like this, going with Honey Badger, and we're gonna start to blend above the crease a little bit. And then go in with a smudger brush with Deja Brew and just smudge this under the lower lash line because we're gonna smoke all of this out too. And then go in with a flat shader brush and Magic Act. We're gonna pack this on the lid. Then curl your lashes and apply your mascara. Now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna do a nude lip liner. I'm using MAC Spice. I'm just gonna line the lips. Then apply MAC Whirl. Then dab a little Japanese Maple just on the center to kind of get an ombre lip. And there you go. There's your neutral glam with a nice ombre lip. Okay, for this look, we're keeping it super easy. Well, we're just doing a winged liner. So I'm gonna take my tape and put it on the back of my hand so it's not too sticky, peel it off. We're gonna line it up just like that from the lower lash line past the brow. Okay, now you're gonna take a flat brush like this. This is a MAC 212 brush. It's really skinny. It's an eyeliner brush. We're gonna go in with Give Me the Dirt and we're gonna run this along the tape just like that. I like using powder as eyeliner sometimes because it gives you a softer look versus liquid liner, which can be very strong and harsh. I'm gonna now start dabbing it along the lash line and come in all the way. Okay, so do you see the shape I have right there? So now we can peel it off. Ooh, look at that, nice and crisp. Now I'm gonna take a small pencil brush like this going with Untamed. It's a nice gold color. We're gonna pop this on the inner corner. Super easy, I told you guys. Now we're just gonna curl lashes and apply mascara. Now that I see the look, you guys, I have a lot of lid space, so I think I want to fill it in with a brush like this and Honey Badger. If you don't have a lot of lid space, you could probably skip this step, but I just want to add a little bit of dimension right here in the crease. That's it. Now for the lips, I want to do a nice plum lips. I'm going to use MAC's Plum Lip Liner. Do you guys hear how loud my dogs are snoring right now? There's two of them. Lady and Lexi are both snoring like grizzly bears. I'm gonna use the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm. It's just a very soft tinted color in the color Wicked Ways. And there you go. There's our super easy look with a nice winged liner, pop of gold, and a deep plum lip. To start off this look, I'm going to take the Makeup Geek eyeliner in Espresso. It's a rich brown, and we're just going to smudge this along the upper lash line, stopping halfway like that. And then go in with a really small dome brush like this, and we're going to smudge this out to create a base. Now go in with a crease brush like this. I'm going in with Morocco. We're going to put this on top of that brown out here on the outer edge of the eye, and we're going to blend it above the crease slightly. Same brush, now going with Honey Badger, and blend this up here as the transition above the crease and up to the brow. Now go in with Deja Brew, which is a rich brown, and put this just on the outer half of the lid. Now take a flat brush like this and go in with Untamed, which is a beautiful goldeny color, and put this all in the center of the lid. Switch to a pencil brush like this, go in with Untamed, and we're going to put this under the lower lash line in here. Go halfway. Then go in with Brick House and put it on the outer edge of the eye. Now curl your lashes and apply mascara. Now for the lips, I'm going to apply a Plum lip liner. This is NARS Write It. And just line the lips. I know that looks really crazy. Now apply a Plum lip gloss. This is the Makeup Geek Killing Lip Glaze in the color Sangria. And there you go. There's your very colorful and glamorous fall look. Hopefully y'all learned something. Did I just say you all? I did. I've been in Texas for a few months. I already picked up you all. Let me know in the comments below if you like tutorials. If you do, I'll do more of them. Or if there's different types of makeup videos that you want to see, I can do those as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Have fun this fall season, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.